I'm in Cuttknife, Saskatchewan right now, and it's raining. Nice. We got some rain. Pretty sweet. But here's the thing. We're going to be live storm chasing today, probably around 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. I don't know. Saskatchewan doesn't do the daylight savings time, so I think we're on daylight. I think we're on Mountain Time now. But 4 p.m. today, we'll be live storm chasing in central Alberta, in probably the Wainwright area, and then up to like the Lloyd, maybe like western Saskatchewan. Yeah, tornado risk. So there's risk of large hail, tornadoes, strong winds, everything. And there's supercell tornadoes too, according to Environment Canada. So stay tuned, folks, and be ready for an outbreak.